Hey there. So today I'm going to demonstrate you ManyChat and its direct integration with PayPal, Payout API, as well as the Klaviyo and other systems. Now, this integrations we are going to use Make.com as a third-party integration platform, and we are going to use a complex ManyChat workflow where how the entire ManyChat works, as well as how the specific triggers are getting out using the custom webhook, and finally, doing action and again updating back data into ManyChat. So here we have one entire flow that is called a community program, and there is a brand called Eat Counter. So we have developed for them. Now this workflow defines anyone can get into their community testing program or like kind of a giveaway program, and over here like asking different kind of question, adding tags, different other workflows, and so many things. Now over here, first of all, we are connecting ManyChat through this external request called hook.make.com. So hook is basically a webhook which is taking out the entire conversation as well as the user input to make.com. Now what we can do with make.com, so over here you can see this ManyChat webhook is getting data in as soon as someone is like reaching out to a particular point in ManyChat scenario, and furthermore from their respective responses to the entire conversation, ChatGPT is analyzing that conversation and it is sending out a message to the team on Slack. Plus it will also update the response on the ManyChat particular field, that if team is responding on Slack something, then the user message will be passed on to the end user on ManyChat itself. Now, furthermore, once that user reaches to a particular point in ManyChat scenario, let me bring out this. Yeah. Then we are going to give them some sort of a payout, kind of a community reward or something, using PayPal and Venmo APIs. So over here you can see uh, this particular trigger goes out for the PayPal payout. And here's the second scenario where we are giving them the PayPal payouts. So this webhook is also connected over here in this particular workflow. And when someone reaches out until here, this PayPal payout API, you can see here the PayPal payouts, and the particular user will get some sort of a money along with this entire message that thank you for, let's say, ordering these sample product for Eat Counter, and we are going to give you this much amount as the PayPal payout. And finally, that ManyChat user again will be responded using this make.com scenario with the confirmation of this payout altogether. Along with that, one more flow connected here, which add the ManyChat user into Klaviyo. Plus, we are also formatting their phone numbers. So when we are asking ManyChat user to enter a phone number, they enter, we validate this phone number using phone number module, and finally it gets into Klaviyo along with his email address and phone number both. So using Klaviyo, we can do both kind of subsequent marketing on email marketing as well as the phone or SMS or WhatsApp based marketing. So yeah, this is an excellent example of ManyChat workflow. This is quite a cumbersome big workflow over here, and it is connecting multiple systems for different kind of outreach, different kind of furthermore nurturing and the payouts. So I hope you like this video. In case if you have any further questions, or if you would like to connect with us, you wanted to build such workflows, do let us know, and we are more than happy to serve you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.